Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with today's prayer for Wednesday, July 21st. Okay, and today's prayer is, I'll give thanks to the Lord with all my heart. Psalms 9:1. And chapter 1 says, I will praise you, Lord, with all my heart. I will tell of all the marvelous things you have done. Okay? And I will leave with this prayer. Dear Lord, please bless everyone and keep them healthy and safe. And also, oh, I hear rumble in the Bronx. And also, I lost my train of thought. Oh, and just end it right here. I lost my train of thought. I'm sorry, guys. That rumble got me. Okay? So be blessed, be kind, and I will see y'all next week for today's prayer. And that's it. Bye-bye for now.